show the tan of pi over 2, take away theta equals the cot of theta. When I ask us to show this, you can't use the equal sign all the way down, so you can only work with the left hand side, and usually if it's a proof we'll say left hand side equals, but if I show this, then I'm only going to work with the tan of pi over 2 minus theta. So I'm going to start with that and then just work from there. Now I am going to do my cast diagram just to make sure that I know what's happening. So this is cast, and this is 0, this is pi over 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi over 2, this is 2 pi. Pi over 2 minus theta is in there, okay? So I can just work then from, I know it's going to be positive, and I don't have to worry about the sign. When I look at tan now, I know that tangent is the sine of theta, or the sine of this angle, minus theta, over the cos of pi over 2 minus theta. I'm still working my first quadrant, so the sine of pi over theta is in the first quadrant. It's positive. I'm working from my x-axis. If I'm working from my x-axis, I'm working with my complementary angles, which means sine change to the cos of my reference angle theta, divide by the cos of pi over 2. Now the cos of pi divided by 2 is also my first quadrant, so the sine is still positive. I'm working for my y-axis, so I'm working with complementary angles. Cos change to its complementary sine. Remember, it's sinus, cosinus, they're co-angles of theta. Cos theta over sine theta equals the cot of theta, and there's my proof.